Here we are, we got them. Are you ready, guys? What the fuck? Not you, you fucking fool. And try not to swear. Bye. Hi. Right, I'm here with this now. You smell peppers, and it's very floral, like flowery. Hot chicken mala. This is the English, in English, well, this probably. So, let's see if it's true that it is ×4. Let's see if it is spicy, as they say it is. Oh, it's fucking hot. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. As soon as it hits the tongue, it's wow. But I don't think it is spicy as the 2 times, but I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Oh, it's spicy. It's got peppercorns in it. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. It burns. Wow. You It's nice. My lips are numb. It's hot. It is spicy. Wow. Dough. It's hot. It is a tad hotter than the other. Wow. What? It is bugger. My lips are on fire. My tongue is. Wow. This looks like I got lipstick on. Wow. Oh. Oh, it's fucking hot. I think it's hotter than the ×2. Honestly. Oh, is it? My tongue's going numb now. It is honest. It's from the fuck, mate. I know. My tongue's on fire. It really is. Fire noodles. They're fucking fire noodles. Jesus, it's burning in the centre. Oh my fuck me, mate. Sorry. Phew. It's really hot. I'm going to finish it. Jesus. This is hotter. I look like a fucking ladyboy now. Fucking look. Oh, I nearly finished it. Oh, Jesus. It is really hot. These Asian people must have, especially Chinese and Koreans, they must have mouths like asbestos. Oh, honest, my tongue is fucking burning. It's really, really cold hot. It's gone numb. You get like a sort of cooling feeling, and then all of a sudden the spices are just boom in your mouth, and the sides of the mouth are not not burning, but the tongue is on fire. Oh, you fuck. Yeah. Wow. Finished it. There you go. That was SamYang hot chicken flavour ramen mala. So, fuck, my stomach is burning. Ooh. Bye.